I win! I always win. Is there no one on this planet to even challenge me? General Zod, your ruler. I see you are practiced in worshipping things that fly. Good. You are not the president. No one who leads so many could possibly kneel so quickly.
But there is one man here on Earth who will never kneel.
Who is this imbecile? Where is he?
I wish I knew. Oh, God.
Zod.
Superman, can you hear me? Superman, where?
Who is this Superman?
You'll find out, General. And when you do...
Come to me, Superman. If you dare, I defy you. Come! Come and kneel before Zod! Zod! Come to me, son of Jor-El! Kneel before Zod!